Good morning to all. Now we're going to see the topic called diesel power plant. A diesel power plant is one of the major power plant used even in the olden days. In the olden days, many of the power factories and industries they use these to Papa Jana in the diesel power plant. We use the diesel as the source of energy to produce the electric power. Here these are some of the components. Here fuel oil tank is the major component we need. The main thing is the diesel engine. The diesel engine as like an automobile vehicle. The diesel engine is one of the major component for the power plant. So here we use the fuel tank will come first filled with the diesel fuel and will be the filter to pump that fuel oil this diesel oil, and it will enter into the diesel engine with the help of the fuel injector. And the compressor will be there in the place where air will be compressed and sent inside the engine. And the lubrication oil and the tank will be sent where engine will not get any tear and the problem. So enter into the diesel engine. Next to that, diesel engine starts running where combustions will take place. The air and the fuel get mixtured with the help of the fuel injector and the compressed air. Combustions will take place where the heat energy will be produced. That heat energy will be converted into an electrical energy with the help of the generator. Where the electrical energy will be produced with the help of the generator, and then it will be transformed directly to the power source. Next, we go the working of the diesel power plant. Air from the atmosphere is drawn into the compressor and it is compressed. The compressed air is sent to the diesel engine through the filter. The filter dirt from air are filtered and only the clean air is sent to the diesel engine. Fuel oil from the tank is passed through the filter where it gets filtered. The clean oil is injected into the diesel engine through the fuel pump and fuel injector. The mixture of compressed air and the spray of fuel tank are ignited into the engine and combustion takes place. The heat energy is utilized for driving the generator which produces power. The main components of the diesel power plants are the fuel supply system. It consists of fuel tank, fuel filter, and fuel pump and injector. Air intake and the exhaust system. It consists of compressor, filter, and pipes for the supply of air and pipes for exhaust gases. Cooling system. It circulates water around the diesel engines to keep the temperature at reasonable level. Because of this diesel engine, the cooling system will maintain the temperature around the layout of the diesel power plant. It includes the lubricating oil, pump, filters, and things. Next, the starting system. For the initial system, the devices used for compressed air, battery, and electric motor are the self-starter. This is about the diesel power plant. Here in the diesel power plant, this fuel tank is filled with the diesel and it is supplied to the filter with the help of the pump, the feeding pump. It will enter into the diesel engine with the help of the fuel injector. Where the fuel injector in the diesel power plant also having that the diesel engine. The engine will need to compress the air for the combustion purposes. So here we have the compressor separately in this place. So air from that will enter into this, and help of the filter, the air will be cleaned and compressed into the diesel engine. And also having the lubrication oil tank here. This will help to maintain the diesel engine in a flexible way. This lubrication oil is very important in the diesel engine power plant. It will enter into the generator. So here the combustions will take place with the help of the compressed air and the fuel. So the exhaust gas will be sent out in the silencer. We can see it in the vehicle where the silencer will be available for all the automobiles. It will be sent out through the silencer. Cold return oil. The oil cooler will be also there to support this cooling water system. Here we have the cooling water system and the condenser to maintain the temperature of the whole system. So this is about the diesel engine power plant. The diesel engine power plant applications is for the in industries and power loom industries and many of the factories, they are using this diesel power plant. Thank you.